You know what, man? Deck life is the best life. Hey, what's up? It's Chris Young. Welcome to the all-new Forest River Grey Wolf. This is the 18 RRBL, and this is a black label version toy hauler. I call it the Barney Rubble. Like Fred Flintstone and the Flintstones, this thing is short, cute, and just fun to be around. Add that to the fact that you also get a pop-up awning. This is a pretty sweet unit, highlighted by an awesome patio on the back. This is a toy hauler, so you're going to have a multi-purpose kitchen as well as storage unit in the middle, and then a pretty sweet setup with the east to west bed up front. Let's start right back here where we are, the calling card of toy haulers, the Patio Deck. This one, standard 1,500-pound capacity when you have it set up to hold court. Hang out, have some fun, go fishing off the side, or just pull up to the beach and make it your own back deck, man. How many times have you had a RV that you could take out that also doubles as a back porch? You can chill and catch the rays. This is it. Add that to the fact that we also have a nice little table, multi-purpose, put it outside, put it inside. This serves as the dining table, the game table for your setup here, which I'll get to in just a minute. I know a lot of you are probably used to seeing the opposing couches. Not going to have that here. This one will sleep 3, but I'm going to tell you we might be able to do more. You also have a 3,500-pound low capacity on this ramp. Now, with the garage, you'll notice you don't really have a dovetail on this one. So if you are loading, you got to make sure to watch out for the break here in the ramp. You still have the frame welded tie downs in here. You still have the slip resistant, easy to clean linoleum, but multi-purpose. Let's talk about it. Let me show you this space. Now, the garage space of the 18 RRBL is a little bit versatile, but I know what you're saying. Chris, it looks small. Let me show you what I'm talking about, because the versatility is going to help out. I removed the cushions of the sofa that we have here on the campsite, mainly because you can flip this up, lock it into place, remove the legs. There's also these palm mount style brackets on the back. Now, with this thing completely removed, you have 68 inches across here for space. Coming up here, 121, 10 feet, 1 inch from there to here. But if you want to go all the way up to the bed, now you have 182 inches. So bring in the motorcycle, the bikes, the kayaks. That's what this space is going to be used for. And when you're ready to make this a bed, just unsnap this cantankerous little thing right here. Make sure to lift from the middle when lifting that bed up too, because I noticed when I tried to lift from the edge, it comes out of the palm mounts. But throw your cushion on. Now you got an oversized twin bed, great for the kids, the adults, even the dogs. Great spot. Put this there. You got yourself a comfy backer. Slide the table in. Now you got a good spot for doing some dining. Regardless, the versatility of a smaller RV, and remember, we're only 24 feet, 1 inch long in this thing. That is a sweet spot for a lot of places, state parks especially, and having the additional back deck, it's going to feel a lot more spacious than it actually is. That's what caught my attention with this one, and I wanted to show you. Now, let's take a look at this kitchen. Now, my kitchen is highlighted by nice, gorgeous sink, solid surface countertops, and a pretty sweet fridge, which is where I'm going to start. So oversized 12-volt Furion fridge freezer combo that has the bottom drawer. But what I like about this, especially in smaller RVs, is both sides open up on the fridge. So if I'm prepping right here or I'm cooking, Ryan wants to come get a drink, he doesn't have to open up over here. He can open up over here and vice versa. So having that just makes the flow and makes the enjoyment a little bit better. Because at the end of the day, an RV is like a gym membership. If you don't enjoy it when you use it, you're not going to use it. So why not give you something that you're going to enjoy? Solid surface countertops are going to be easier to clean. They're going to last longer. I love the look of this. Plus, it allows us to get an undermounted sink. I got my solid wood cutting cover. I got the drying rack cover, as well as the multi-purpose bins, wash my veggies. I got a strainer. Now watch out over here. Got yourself a little glass washer too, plus an actual residential style pull down sprayer. Add that to the fact that they gave me frosted glass inlay in my cabinetry. I got my entertainment system right here, which is going to thump when I'm outside holding court. Oh, man. What's your favorite sport team? Leave me some comments down below and let me know what your favorite sport team is. Doesn't matter, pro, college, whatever. This is where you get to that tailgate and throw down. Drop the deck, have some fun, or go fishing off the back of the deck. That's always fun. Let me tell you. Then the fact that you got a 10-inch subwoofer in the roof with the blue light that Forest River is known for. Love it. Absolutely love it. Got my Furion microwave down there. 3-burner cooktop glass cover. Storage underneath. Solid wood on my drawers. Great day. That was smart. I actually like that. Okay, now let's take a look at where you're going to get cleaned up when you come home and where you're going to go to bed. They got tie downs like everywhere up in here. Okay, pantry right there as I walk towards the bath and room. Right here, palm mount for my TV. Love that because I also have one outside. Now I'm not buying 2 TVs. I'm only buying 1. A bunch of words on pictures right here. And this is going to be your HVAC controls for your high output AC, which is in the roof, as well as your furnace. Now your tanks on this bad boy, you're looking at a 52-gallon fresh, 38-gallon gray, 28-gallon black. And right here is where you can check the levels of those tanks, also check your battery, because this is your command panel, and run out your awning. And also cut on your heated tank pads if you want to. What? Yes, your 18 RRBL has heated pads on those tanks. Now the bathroom of the 18 RRBL highlighted by every sprayer in possibility hitting your body. Gorgeous bowl sink, as well as a high-rise other type of bowl. Now, oversized mirrored medicine cabinet right above this giant, beautiful vessel sink. I also like how they angled my faucet right here so that I'm not going to be knocking it around when I'm doing things. I got a little bit of storage underneath, but my shower screams straight up pimp because we got body sprayers. I got a big giant sunflower head sprayer here. I got the little magic wand sprayer there, which also is great if you want to sing some Lou Rawls while cleaning everything up. Just be careful because there might still be stuff in it. You'll never find a love guy like mine. And as far as my toilet goes, yeah, you can see I think some of the water from the shower head got on the seat. Now it's a bidet. But you can see that I'm not really cramped. It is a little tight. Let me shut the door and see what happens here. Okay, yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. I'm 6'2", 225, so you'll have plenty of space. But once again, this coach is only 24 feet, 1 inch. Let's take a look at where we're going to go to sleep next. Come on. And the front of your Forest River Grey Wolf 18 RRBL is highlighted by a queen-size bed going east to west, some storage, and a privacy curtain. How you doing? This is actually pretty comfortable, I got to tell you. I'm not usually a fan of east to west beds, but in a coach that's this short, this actually works. I got reading lights on both sides that also have the blue light, but check out my ward space that I have right here. Flat front storage there. Also love how they give me the driven surge protector over here on the campsite. Love that because it not only is a surge protector, it has a USB, so you can also protect your sensitive electronics like laptops, cell phones, and tablets. Tie downs, privacy curtain, space. I don't see anything wrong, to be honest. For an entry-level toy hauler, not even 25 feet long, slam dunk. All right, let's go check out the outside. Now, on the outside of your Cherokee Black Label 18 RRBL, you're going to be highlighted by the HC15 chassis, which I love. Talk about that here in a second. Power tongue jack, 15-foot awning, tempered glass door, as well as heating pads on those tanks and some awesome off-road tires. Now let's talk a little bit about what we got up front. Camp convenience thanks to the power tongue jack with LED light, twin 20-pound LP tanks, as well as the battery rail back here, diamond-plated rock guard leading me into my Superflex roof. But this HC chassis, I love what Forest River did with these. So you got the HC9s, the HC15s. These are rated for over 2,000 hours of salt exposure. The HC15 is just a little bit bigger than the HC9s, and you'll see thick, powder-coated, sturdy, single weld, great support for this coach. And for 2,000 hours of salt exposure, take this beauty to the beach. And the fact that they also added the diamond-plated rock guards on the bottom here, love it. Stab jacks, LP Quick Connect. Storage right here, as well as my solar charge controller, because your Grey Wolf Black Labels also come with the juice pack. So you'll have a solar panel on top. And it can range anywhere from like 50 up to like, gosh, over 300. It's pretty awesome. Magnetic anti-slam on your luggage doors. Big fan of how they do their coating too. It just kind of helps make sure the graphics don't fade. Then they throw in a solid step over step to lead me into the main entry point here with the tempered glass door. Heck yeah, man, it looks good going down the road. Looks even better set up at the campsite. Got the shine, bling, bling, bling on my wheels. Tire pressure monitoring system, blackout aluminum rims on those Dexter Easy Lube axles with the extra wide berth. Now, Forest River is also big on the pets. They know that your pets need to be secure at the campsite, so they even give you these little leash latches. These are welded to the frame. So even if you got little Flido or if you got giant Rufus, neither one of them's gonna break that thing. Trust me, they might break the leash, but that ain't on me. Well, we're not gonna be able to get around here, but you'll be able to see my backup observation camera as well as my floodlight that I have there, which is not only gonna give me some additional help when I'm backing this thing up, but more importantly, it's gonna give me some light when I'm hanging out outside and allow us to continue the festivities after the sun has gone down. On the other side is where you're gonna see your terminations as well as the info panel. Now, the terminations on this one, don't forget your tanks. You got yourself a 52-gallon fresh, 38-gallon gray, and 28-gallon black. Pretty good tank sizes to keep you off the grid, but for an entry-level toy hauler RV, this 18 RRBL, pretty sweet. The only thing is, you gotta be okay with the tightness on the inside and the convenience of being able to convert some of those spaces. That's the only thing. If you're okay with that and you're saying, you know what, Chris, we've been riding the bikes and setting up tents, this could be a sweet spot for us. Let this be your entry-level jump-off point into RVing. I do not think you'll be displeased at all. I think you're gonna like it. But go down to your local Camping World or check out rv.campingworld.com and check it out yourself. And then leave me some comments down below and let me know, what'd you like about it? What'd you not like about it? Do you sing Lou Rawls in the shower? Or are you more a Barry White type of guy? Hey man, that Electric Love Orchestra? All day, baby. Leave me some comments down below though, because I love hearing from you. And while you're at it, please click like, subscribe, and notify, so the next time we do one of these, you're the first one to get it. I'm Chris Young for Camping World. See you soon.